Good morning, my friends, and welcome to today's adventure video. We have a big group run planned, an overnight group run. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. It's kind of a huge liability. I actually spent most of last night working on liability waivers, and I really hope that people are cool enough to sign them so that I don't feel stressed. I'm taking the 3rd gen Tacoma. I'm super stoked that it's all on its new long travel equipment. If you guys missed that video, make sure you check it out. The build series is awesome. We did long travel, new bumpers, new lights, new winch, new body kit. It just came a really long ways. And now, of course, it has this awesome wrap from CW Wrap. So the truck is just looking phenomenal. There's still a lot more I got to do to it, but it'll be fun to take it on a trip because I haven't really, I towed it to Idaho. I haven't really driven it on an adventure in a while. Fingers crossed, everything works okay. It's a little shiny in there. The drive's about 2.5 hours to the White Pass ski area where we're gonna be meeting up with hopefully everyone who got the memo. I have no idea what the turnout's gonna be like. These events that we've been hosting with the Overland Truck Store have been getting increasingly bigger and bigger and bigger every time. So they do get pretty huge, but since this is an overnight one, I don't know, who knows? Don't know what to expect. But I'm excited to hang with some good people. My boy Tim's gonna be coming out. Nice, relaxing weekend camp trip. Here we are. Hell yeah, here we go. It's gonna be dope. So I'm actually gonna park the truck here so that anybody driving by will see it and know that we're kind of tucked back into this parking area.
Is here.
Oh, the whistle! He's equipped. He's got his weapons. We're hunting, yes. No food is provided. The mountain must provide our meals. We're getting ready.
Basic. Copy. Landing is good.
There's amazing weather. Everything is the best right now. Everything's so great. Highway 12, left turn coming up here. Highway 12 is such a beautiful stretch of highway. If you guys are just passing through or whatever it might be, you guys got to check it out, do some camping out here. It's really badass. All right, what's this trail called?
Bethel Ridge Road, and Forest Service Road's 1500.
That'll be fine.
Wow.
Well, we're maybe a half hour, 45 minutes into driving. It's a steep grade, slow drive, and Mark's Land Cruiser's automatic transmission fluid is starting to overheat, which is it's exactly what happened to my Land Cruiser. So I'm gonna walk down here and check it out, see what his plans are. Magical butterfly. This is really cool out here. Like I've been saying, I think I probably said this in a recent video, I want to start just coming out here and doing this stuff more often. This is so cool, guys. This place is epic. We're cruising slowly but surely, making our way up. Apparently there's some lakes up here which sound great because it's so hot. Whew, I just almost busted my ass climbing an old tree. Look at this thigh gash. Oh yeah. It feels like, I mean, almost like the Raptor, like it's almost better. That is so much travel. Guys, normally I would be bouncing off the bump stops. This truck has no bump stops right now, but I'm just floating through. Oh, huge ruts, and it's just gliding right, like, obviously I couldn't go trophy truck speed, but I mean, I'm going 25, 30, and this stuff is nasty. This is really awesome. That was gnarly, dude. I was like, oh!
I didn't see it coming.
And here, this here is a titanium fork forged in the fires of Mordor. Do you have the O fork? Dude, I've been living in the past. Oh, expandable cup holder stuff.
I don't know what these are, but they seem pretty cool to me.
Oh, that's neat. It's like,
Pretty little tower here.
put your
So that's the ridge right
yeah,
there.
and it'll continue if we were to follow it the rest of the way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pops out.
Well, hold up. You'd have to hit it all the way up here.
Oh yeah. Good. Yeah, it's pretty far.
That was an awesome trip. I think we're all headed out. See you guys. Yesterday I totally had four-wheel drive. I didn't have like traction control, but I did have four-wheel drive. Today I have my same like two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive change failure error that's going to prevent me from going into four. So I think it'll be fine. Like these roads aren't too bad. They're pretty rutted. It's just one of those situations where I could easily just fall into it and then not be able to turn my locker on and just have like traction to one tire and then be kind of screwed. So I gotta be kind of careful. I'm hoping that I can figure this thing out and get all that stuff working better, because it's just not fun having a truck that you can't rely on when you're out here like this. So there's really not much to look at. On the way out of here, it's very dusty. I feel like I've just been in a cloud of dust. It's not really much to show you guys, but we're kind of like going deeper to get out faster. I don't know if that makes any sense, but we're moving. I'll have to backtrack, but it's faster on the way out, and it's all new scenery. So we're kind of working our way from the wet side of the mountain to the dry desert side. So the terrain does change. It's pretty cool. I really like this drive a lot. So this is Bethel Ridge. I'm pretty sure if you just Google Bethel Ridge, you'll start finding and seeing all the trails out here. Well, Tim screwed up his alignment again.
It's like weekly at this point.
Dude. When the locals tell you to go to a restaurant, you go to the restaurant. This truck just looks so outrageously cool now. It's 102 degrees out, and the truck is so dusty that I think my cabin air filter is clogged up. Oh, dude, she's just cooked. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I knocked most of the dirt and fur out of this thing. I'll go ahead and just put it back and see if that makes a difference. Oh, that's amazing. Almost home after a wonderful weekend exploring Bethel Ridge. Today's episode is brought to you by CBI Off-Road Fab, who's offering 10% off all Toyota Tacoma products until Monday the 19th. So yes, they're having a flash sale if you're looking for a bumper like mine, which is the hybrid Dakar Toyota Tacoma bumper, or a bumper like Tim's, which is the T3 Toyota Tacoma bumper. You can get 10% off right now. That also includes all Prinsu racks, literally anything for Toyota Tacomas. You guys know I'm always hunting for the best deals to let you guys know about so you can save money on your build. If you're looking to build a truck like mine, CBI Off-Road Fab's the perfect place to stop by. They have all sorts of awesome equipment for you, and it's all made right here in the USA. Their lead times are faster than ever, and you can click the link in the description below, which helps support the YouTube channel. So hope to see you guys on the trail soon. Get some work done this week, but don't forget to live.